Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Veronica. It's a great day to be a Panther.
Heritage Literacy Week ends today, and the theme has been Believing Yourself and Building Resiliency Through Reading.
Today, you can stop by the Media Center to take a selfie with your favorite book. Also, you can complete a sticky note book review about a book that you recommend and why.
Today's theme for Literacy Week is Wear Your Heritage Colors to show that Panthers build resiliency through reading. It's great to see all those heritage colors on campus today.
In sporting news, our boys basketball team will travel to play Mount High today.
Freshmen will play at 5:15, JV will play at 6:15, and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
Girls basketball will play here at home against Bayside. JV plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7.
In club news, it's BSU's Panty Wars, and if you know what it is, it's where your panty scores points for your teachers and takes points away from other teachers. The 3 winning teachers will get a pie in the face on Thursday, February the 1st.
This penny war will continue until this Friday.
Tomorrow is the last day to bring your money to lunch and put in the principal, teachers, and coaches jar that you want to see get a pie in the face. The participating teachers are Mr. Link, Coach Pencil, Mr. McGree, Coach Kinsel, Mr. Richards, Mr. Underwood, and Mr. Van Bieber.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Blue!